Air India to Made in India, we are going to ground everything.
An Indian national, Nikhil Gupta, has been charged in the United States for allegedly conspiring to assassinate a U.S. citizen advocating for Khalistan, believed to be Sikhs for Justice leader Gurpatwant Pannun. The charges announced by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan revealed Gupta's arrest in June by Czech authorities. He's pending extradition. Gupta is 52 and faces charges of murder for hire and conspiracy to commit murder for hire. U.S. authorities claim Gupta was recruited by someone employed by the Indian government with responsibilities in intelligence. Gupta is said to have agreed to pay an assassin $100,000 to kill Pannun, who resides in New York City. The apparent assassin turned out to be a confidential source working with U.S. law enforcement. While the U.S. citizen target remains unnamed in the indictment, Pannun, a vocal critic of the Indian government who's been deemed a terrorist by that nation, said in a statement he was the target. The plot's exposure underscores the ongoing international tensions involving Sikh separatists seeking the formation of Khalistan. In August, Canada alleged Indian involvement in the murder of Khalistan Tiger Force leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a claim India has denied. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who made that allegation, was asked about the unsealed indictment.
The news coming out of the United States further underscores what we've been talking about from the very beginning, which is that India needs to take this seriously. The Indian government needs to work with us to ensure that we're getting to the bottom of this.
The Indian government has now established a committee to look into this matter.
During the course of discussions with the U.S. on bilateral security cooperation, the U.S. side has shared some inputs pertaining to nexus between organized criminals, gun runners, terrorists, other extremists. We take, of course, such inputs very seriously.
Top U.S. and Indian officials have worked closely together all year, from Prime Minister Modi's state visit in Washington and the G20 in India to the recent 2x2 ministerial dialogue in New Delhi. This news adds a dramatic layer to what has been a budding relationship across many sectors.